So here we have imported particle board. This is what most companies use to build their kitchens. However, at Nobby's, we use high moisture resistant boarding. So what that means, it's ever exposed to any steam or water, it maintains its structural integrity and doesn't warp. For example, this has been in here for about 20 years and you can already see the difference. All our cabinetry is also made here in New South Wales and comes with a 10-year warranty.
Nobody but